Okay, now it's time to create our ball as well as our controls for aiming the ball and hitting the ball. So what we need to do is think in terms of what is a ball. Well, that's another object. And how do we create an object in MicroWorlds EX? We make a turtle. So go up to your toolbar, click on Hatch a Turtle, move into your workspace, click one time, drop him onto the background. I'm going to pull that turtle into this position because that's where I imagine that we'll be wanting to tee off. Now we need to create a golf ball shape for that turtle to wear. So I can do that over in the Shapes pane on the right-hand side of my interface. But instead of creating a golf ball completely from scratch, it would be easier if I modified an existing shape to make it look like a golf ball. So I'm going to go back to my Painting and Clip Art palette, and I'm going to move it so that I can see both the palette and the shape spots. In the singles, that's the flower, if you look about halfway down, there's a sort of grainy looking soccer ball. That soccer ball is located next to a star and a couple of birthday cakes. Pull that soccer ball into a shape spot. Any shape spot's fine. I'm selecting the first one. And then close the Painting and Clip Art palette. Now, double click on that soccer ball. You'll see that it could look like a golf ball if it didn't have all that black. So I'm going to switch to my pencil tool and select a shade of gray instead of black. And I'm going to click pixel by pixel on each of these black areas. And as I do, you'll notice that this starts to look quite a bit more like a golf ball. If you want, you can use the paint can, but I find it's a little easier to do careful work on something so small by going pixel by pixel. If you want, you can actually increase your viewing area over on the left-hand side, but you'll see we're already at the maximum size at 1600%. So let's go back, let's finish drawing each of those pixels, cover up the black, turn it into gray, and in just a moment, you're going to see that we have a pretty nice looking golf ball. So let's complete that and say OK. So now that does look a little bit less like a soccer ball, more like a golf ball. I'm going to click on it one time, move into my workspace, and click right on the back of that turtle. And now I have something that looks like a golf ball at the tee.